Look at the snow coming down.
Yeah.
Oh, well, I remember this. Dale Boulevard in Darbydale. It was just impassable there for a while.
And you see that sliding and slipping there, trying to get across. This is the second snowstorm. The next in the year of '81. I'm pretty sure we at this point will see we have the Plymouth station wagon.
Yeah. That's
And
right.
I think we introduced Missy in this film.
That's right.
Yeah.
Another thing, people come from all over the country and the world to the Washington, D.C. area, and most of them don't know how to drive in the snow. And a lot of the problems on the road, there she is.
There's Missy.
A lot of the problems on the road had to do with people who were afraid to drive in snow. And of course, we had no problem at all. And I can't recall one time that I ever got stuck in a snowstorm like this. Nor was I unable to get uphill. A lot of people couldn't get up the hills, or they thought they couldn't.
Well, I couldn't once on Dale Boulevard. I had to pull over. This was Missy's first experience with snow, and she was very dubious about it in the beginning, but she learned to love it.
Yeah. Very disrespectful for the cameraman, or woman, whoever took the...
Yeah.
Now, right across the street, they had a wonderful hill to sled down.
Yeah, really. However, John did it went so well that he smashed into the fence or something at the bottom, and he ended up with getting a bad cut out of it.
Did we take him in for stitches on that?
I don't think so.
One time we did, I think.
No, well, they all had their share of stitches.
There's the old picnic table.
Mm-hmm. I can't tell their faces, but I think perhaps one that might be Victor. I mean, excuse me, not Victor, Albert from down the street. Otherwise, it's Keith Lewis.
There you go, Nate.
Yeah.
All bundled up.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Missy's having a great time there, isn't she?
Right.
Missy dog. There's George.
No, that's
No, George wasn't here at the time, was
no.
he? That's right. What am I thinking of?
He was already at the Air Force Academy.
Yeah.
There's one of our Chevettes, both of our Chevettes, the silver one and the blue one, all snowed in.
And we have the old garage door there,
Right.
since been replaced twice.
That was before we had the electrical door.
Yeah. Which made a big difference. There she comes.
Yeah.
Her Royal Highness.
Hmm.
She's kind of indignant about all this.
Surveying her kingdom and wondering what's happened to it.
She suffered a great indignity.
Hmm. She kind of looks lost in all that piles of snow. Where to go? What to do? Well, there's always time for a stretch.
Yeah. She was still pretty young then.
Yeah. Go for it, Chuck.
Yeah. I like shoveling snow. Did you?
Yeah, oh yeah, I did. Well, we got the blue Chevette out, obviously, if I'm driving it there. These probably were a couple of days later, after the initial big shoveling it out there pretty well.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what they're doing here, getting all the way for the cars to get out. Yeah, we see traffic moving, so yes.
Things are picking up.
Hmm. Yeah, you see the neighbors all out.
Yeah, it was really a neighborhood event.
Yeah,
We met a lot of people we hadn't met before.
right. Well, nobody could go anywhere or do anything except shovel snow.